Let me ask you the dumb question of the day. Can we both agree that you do not have money to burn? Doesn't it make you at least a little bit concerned to know that you're most likely wasting money and not realizing it? Well, if your HVAC system is not really well maintained or it's out of date, your air conditioner is wasting your hard-earned cash. If you've had the same inefficient system for a few years, even though you might not notice it, you have a problem. Your electricity bill shows that you have a problem because the bills keep going up every cooling season. There are many different factors that can affect the efficiency of your air conditioning system. Even a dirty condenser can increase your home's operating expense by 15% or more. To find out for sure, you need the pros, the air repair pros. You can get your HVAC system inspected and serviced today for a ridiculously low service fee. And you can not only lower your electricity bills and save money, but you'll be more comfortable and you'll reduce the possibility of a real problem this summer. Remember, there's never a good time to have your air conditioning fail. For almost 40 years of experience and service to this North Texas area, you can trust the air repair pros to fix it right the first time, guaranteed. By keeping your system running efficiently, you'll reduce the stress on your system. Therefore, you'll reduce your cost of running it, and you'll reduce the likelihood of a system failure. So quit putting off what you know needs to be done now. Pick up your cell phone right now and call the pros, the air repair pros. You'll be really glad that you did, I promise.